If you're tackling roof repairs or waterproofing projects, the liquid rubber roof coating sealant is one of the best products I've come across for DIYs and pros alike. Currently priced around $130 for a 5-gallon pail, this product offers heavy-duty protection without breaking the bank. What makes liquid rubber stand out is its ability to cure into a flexible, seamless rubber membrane that resists cracking, peeling, UV damage, and extreme temperatures, meaning your roof stays protected year-round, rain or shine. Its key features include a water-based, non-toxic, and VOC-free formula that's safe to use indoors and outdoors. You can apply it easily with a brush, roller, or spray, and it adheres well to most common surfaces like metal, wood, concrete, and more. Once cured, this coating can handle 900% elongation and offers puncture resistance, which is impressive when you consider traditional roofing sealants only last a fraction of that lifespan. Plus, it offers rust inhibition, making it ideal for roofs with existing mild rust spots. No primer needed. On top of all this, it cures quickly, waterproofing within hours and fully curing within a day to ensure rapid project turnaround. Customer reviews rave about the effectiveness and durability of liquid rubber. Users appreciate the peace of mind that comes with warranty coverage and praise the ease of application. Even beginners report good results without special equipment. Whether you're sealing flat roofs, foundations, or even planter boxes, this product delivers lasting protection without the headaches or harsh chemicals. So if you want a reliable, flexible, and long-lasting waterproofing solution, liquid rubber roof coating sealant should definitely be on your radar. We share by links in the description box, so check down there to grab yours and protect your home or project the smart